In a sudden reshuffle of cabinet portfolios of a few ministers in the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance government, Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma has switched some departments between the ministers. These include Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong, James K Sangma, Sniawbhalang Dhar and Dasakhiatbha Lamare. The Chief Minister has switched the Power Department from James Sangma to Prestone Tynsong and Health Department, and the Department of Food and Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs, which was under Prestone Tynsong, has now been allocated to James Sangma, who will also take charge of IPR and Forest Department besides others. As of now, Prestone Tynsong will take charge of the Power Department, including Parliamentary Affairs, Housing and PWD roads. Meanwhile, Dasakhiatbha Lamare has been allocated the Transport Department and PWD Buildings Department.